Put it in the light. That's nasty. Put it on tissue. Because, honey, this is all. Yeah. That's disgusting because they are all up in there.
I haven't seen it.
I've seen one. There they are. Look. Oh, my God. Okay. Okay. Give me something to stick around in.
That makes you never want to eat a granola bar again.
Oh my God.
Oh my god, that's so... that is so... It's okay, they're not like, it's not gonna make you sad. But it's still so gross. Oh, there's one right there. Is there like a 1-800 number on there? What is that? Is it like maggots? Yes, it is. Ew. Oh my god, that's so gross. Yeah, document right there, right. Look at that one moving so fast right there.
Oh, he's running. I know, right? Where else? They're all up and through this thing. Oh my god, they are every freaking where. Oh, honey. Oh my goodness. There's multiple. Her bar is crawling. Oh my god, where's the kit package? This thing.
You must be traumatized.
Shit, I would be. Alright, here.